Now we are set for the tutorial. This is my material, the fabric that I want to use for this tutorial. And to start with, I'll be taking my measurements. And now I want you to understand something. You need to determine the length you want for your top, and likewise what you want, the length you want for the sleeve. You know, it's going to be a kind of 2-in-1. You cut together the bodies and the sleeve. So now I want to be using 27 for my length, both for folding and everything. So I measure my 27 like this, and I keep measuring 27, 27, 27. But for my sleeve, I will not be using 27 for my sleeve. I want to use 22 for my sleeve, and here I have 22. So this 22 is what I will connect to this 27 that I already marked all around here. So this is how to go about it. Connect, connect, connect all the points together. Yes, and here we have our 27 this way connected to 22 for the sleeve. So now I'll be taking measurement for my neck. Here, if you look at this place very well, for the neck part, don't forget our normal bodice measurement. You take your 3 by 8 inches, don't forget, which is a standard. Then from here we take our normal armhole. But in this case, my armhole is 8 inches, and I have my 8 inches as this. On a normal day, my shoulder is 8 inches. I have my 8 inches like this. On a normal day, my armhole should have been 8.5 inches. But because this is going to be a free top, so I'm going to make it 10 inches and not 8.5 inches anymore. So I have my 10 inches here. And on this line, I'll take my bust measurement. So my bust is 36. If I divide that by 4, it will give me 9 inches. But I don't want it to be too tight. I want it to be a bit free. So instead of the 9 inches, I'll be making it 10 inches. So I measure my 10 inches. Don't forget your 1 inch seam allowance, making it 11 inches. So I have my 11 inches like this. Now for the sleeve, I want to use 12 inches for my sleeve. You can decide what you want, but why I'm taking 12 inches is because I don't want the bust part to show. So if you like, you can bring it down to 15, 14, whatever you like. But in this case, I'll be using 12 inches for my sleeve. So I mark my 12 like this. This is my 12 inches, and I'll connect this 12 to the 10 inches I have for my bust. Sorry, to the 11 inches I marked here for my bust, like this. So this will be my sleeve. Now going back to the neck, I want to use, don't forget, 3 inches by 8 inches standard. But in this case, I'll be using 5 inches by 3.5 inches. That's what I want to use for my neck for this tutorial. So I mark my 3.5 inches like this. This is my 3.5 inches, and this is my 5 inches. I'll connect these 2 points together. Like this. And my top is almost set. So the next thing I need to do now is to cut. Now, we've cut out our top, and this is what we have. You can open it to see it clearly. This is our top. So by the time I finish sewing it and I wear it, you see how it looks. Now we're going to finish this neck up with a bias binder, and we are going to fold the edge of the material, of the top, you know. And I do that, we are going to see it. But before then, don't forget to notch the neck side, the neck part of the top, so that when we are fixing our bias, we really know where to start with. And apart from that, remember we did our markings on the wrong side of the fabric. Yeah, we could have done it on the right side anyway, but this is just to prevent, you know, all this chalk showing on the right side like that. So what we will just need to do now is to make this point on the right side of the pattern. Just make your point here. Yes. Make the other one and do the same on the other side. When you are done with all of that, connect them together. Yeah. This is it. And also here. So you can just turn it to the other side and connect those points together. Yeah, you can see how it is now. All you need to do is to sew from this point to this point, and for the other side as well, you sew from this point to this point. I just want to, you know, avoid having too much chalk on the fabric. So now we'll go to our sewing machine and we'll sew our top. You see it when we are done with that. Thank you.